This is 5 more powerful than your laptop. This is a portable supercomputer that costs $10,000. It has a 5,000 watt power supply. That's why it comes with a carrying case and a backpack. It also has an RDX 3080 inside of it. So this thing is really fast. And if you want to see what it can do, I'll put the benchmark scores up on the screen right now. And the reason why it's so expensive is because it has a custom water cooling system. You can see the water cooling system right here. And that's what allows this thing to be so small and compact while having a desktop replacement level GPU inside of it. Now, it doesn't have a CPU or a screen, but you can connect it to a monitor and you can use it as a desktop if you want to.